Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Recently, Honorable Justice M.R. Shah, U.U. Lalit, I think D.Y. Chandrachud also. All these people attended the ceremony of National Law University, Odisha. And in this meeting, Honorable Justice M.R. Shah advised the young advocates to come out successfully in the profession by following 4 P's. P4. So what are they? We are going to discuss. So these 4 P's are essential for a successful advocate or lawyer. At the outset, he stated that law graduates, please remember, law graduates should never compromise with the ethics. They have to follow the ethics and they have to lead a life of honesty and integrity. Of course, in my view, honesty and integrity are personal or individual. But anyway, you should live a life with honesty and also integrity. And of course, CJI and D.Y. Chandrachud also, they spoke in a different manner. But as far as we are concerned, the advice by Honorable Justice M.R. Shah is more important. M.R. Shah remarked, the students, in future, you may join litigation, you may join judiciary, you may become magistrate or judges, or you may join a corporate office as a legal secretary. My advice is not to compromise with ethics and do not compromise with your honesty and integrity. Till you die, you must maintain your integrity. You must be honest to the case. Honest means not corruption, not being corrupt. So you must be honest to the case. You must decide whether the case will stand or not. If not, you have to prepare well. That is what is called honesty. Now, the advice given by M.R. Shah on the 4 P's, what are they? Number 1, preparation. First, preparation. Number 2, perfection. No doubt you may prepare, but you may be having the so-called perfection. Third one is presentation. And fourth one is politeness, more important. These 4 points are 100% important. So please remember, why preparation? Unless you prepare, you cannot be present in the court with unpreparedness. You will be fumbled. You will be actually literally crushed by the opposite party during the time of arguments. Even the court may ask you so many questions on the particular topic. So you must prepare well. In this connection, I advise you, suppose if tomorrow there is an important case for arguments, this night, right from 9 to 10 p.m., better study the case. Prepare for the case. Then only you will be able to argue well. Please remember, no doubt. So you must be thoroughly prepared. For this, Honorable Justice said, one should appear in the court to argue a case only when he is thoroughly prepared both on facts and both on law. Both on facts also. Suppose if the judge asks what happened to the previous petition, so you must know it. And what is the legal provision? You must be able to apprise the court about the legal provision also. When it will come, if you are prepared thoroughly with a particular case. Please remember, no doubt you have prepared well. Second is perfection. There must be perfection. That means you must be able to speak well. You must be perfect in your presentation. So unless you are perfect, if you are confused, then you cannot present the case very properly. Third one is presentation. This is most important. What is important is the court is, no doubt you have prepared well and you are perfect in the subject, but if you cannot present, what is the use? So the words should come out automatically. That means you have to practice. You have to study the case. You have to practice before the mirror. And then only you have to then only the presentation will be better. And present. How you present in the matter before the court is very, very important. Because number 1, you have to understand the psychology of the judge. You have to understand the presence of the other side advocate and what he is going to question you. And second point is, your presentation should be such that the others should appreciate it. They should appreciate the words. They appreciate your language. So all these things, they come under presentation. It does not come on one day, but by way of abundant exercise, thorough exercise, then only you will reach it. Then last point is, please remember, politeness. So you must not blurt out in the court. No doubt, there may be occasions where you have put to angry, but still you have to maintain the so-called dignity and decorum. In other words, it's called politeness. M.R. Shah stressed that the lawyers must argue with politeness. Please remember. Lastly, what is important is present your case with politeness. This is a very, very important suggestion. How you present the matter before the court is very, very important. So please remember, ultimately, young lawyers, they should play a key role in the nation building also, because he has highlighted the stalwarts like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. All these people who played a key role in the nation building by participating in the politics and other things. So please remember, he said, you have to develop positiveness in your career, positiveness in your life also. Not only career, you have to develop positivity in your life also. So please remember, sometimes you may fail. Everybody is not success in 100 cases. So there will be fail. So please convert the failure as a stepping stone for your success. That is what is required from a seasoned advocate, right? Never adopt any shortcut. And for success, only hard work is. So that's why live like a hermit and work like a horse. So that is the theory behind what Mr. M.R. Shah said. And lastly, service to the needy should be your motto. So service to the needy, pro bono litigation, legal service aid, all these things you keep in mind. So these are all very good advices to the young lawyers. So I have reiterated with the hope that the young advocates would follow the same and become successful advocates in their future career. Thank you.